Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find pointer speed in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Present system. Here you can see the option of languages and input. Click on this. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of pointer speed. Click on this. From here, you can find your pointer speed in your Android phone. Set your pointer speed and press on OK. That's it. So this is how to find pointer speed in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.